What's up, YouTube? We're heading out to a hot tub removal right now in Ormond Beach, Florida. Got Andy with us.
Making that money.
Hauling and balling. We're ready to get out here. We just did an estimate for a big job. Stopping out here, we'll show you guys how we do the hot tubs. Usually pretty simple. This one's in a back room, but we'll be there in a minute and we'll show you how we cut it up and get it up here now. Got the saw. It's in a room, so I'm actually gonna cut it. Right in that room there. Nice pool. There she is. almost done with the rest of this. Alright. I loaded in there. Now we just gotta sweep up a few things, make it look nice, and then we'll be on our way. There it is, sweeping it up. We'll be on our way. Give us a call for all your hot tubs, 386-627-4071, extremejunk removal.com.